In this video, Timmy's going to show you how to rename files on your Chromebook. So if you have files on your Chromebook and you want to rename them so that the name of the file is something different to what it is right now, in this video, Timmy's going to show you how to do that. So when you're on your Chromebook and you've got your files in the Files app here, if you want to rename one of them, you'll just need to right-click on it. So if you have a mouse, you can right-click on it with the right-click button. Or if you're using a trackpad, you can just hover the mouse over it like this, and then click with two fingers at once, and that will do the same thing. And then in this menu here that appears after you right-click, you just need to click on Rename down here, and now you can type in your name. So you'll see the current name is all highlighted blue like this, so now you can just start typing. So if you wanted to call it Logo instead of Tech Time with Timmy Logo, you could just type Logo now. Logo, and then once you're happy with the name you've typed, you just need to press on the Enter key here, and now the file will be renamed. So you'll see this picture here that used to be named Tech Time with Timmy Logo is now just named Logo. And you can also do it with folders as well if you want. So if you right click on this folder and come down and click on Rename, you can just type in your name and press on Enter, and now the folder is renamed as well. And a cool shortcut if you don't like having to right click on the file and click rename is you can actually select it and then press Control Enter. So if you click on this picture here, don't double click on it, because if you double click on it, it will open up and let you view the picture. So you don't want to do that. You just want to single click on it, like one click here, so that it's selected like this, and then press on Control and Enter at the same time on your keyboard. And now it's ready to rename. It's highlighted the title, so you can just type a new name here and press Enter, and it does the same thing. So that's really cool, and that's all there is to renaming files on your Chromebook. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, please click on the thumbs up button down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button down below, and click on the little bell icon next to the subscribe button to be notified every time Timmy makes a new video. So that's really cool, and Timmy will see you in the next video.